guys, welcome. Today we are upgrading the turbo on this Nissan Silvia.
I'm out.
Perfect, easy, done deal. Before we can install this beast of a turbo, we need to get the car off the ground to make things more accessible. As we don't have a hoist handy, this means we need to use jacks and jack stands. Oh man, she's
Not going anywhere.
look at that. That's the steadiest car I've ever done.
Not going anywhere.
Cool. Alright, let me stop. And then we'll have the engine come up. Glens 1995 S14 Nissan Silvia rolled into the Australian market powered by the S14 DET, producing 147 flywheel kilowatt. But this car is far from standard, as the car came with a 4-speed automatic transmission. But after blowing it to the moon, Glenn thought it might be time to install a 5-speed manual out of a half cut. Oh, yes.
About 10 mil.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah.
Red knocks him dead.
Should still be coming out clean as hell.
Because we are moving the turbo and its water lines, to save making a mess, we are removing the coolant from the engine and radiator.
There she goes.
While I'm underneath the car, Glenn starts removing the aluminium intercooler piping from the charge side of the turbo, as well as the pod and the MEF sensor. Nice, let's do it.
Was it dump?
Yes, let's do the dump.
Because that might be one of the harder.
Oh, she's still warm.
Oh, I only moved it 10-15 minutes before you sort of come.
Oh, okay. Wow, dude, I'm glad you're changing your, that's seen better days, eh?
Yeah. We actually had an issue with that one, but I think we got some tape on it.
And it made it work?
Yeah, it was shorting installing the...
Yeah, alright. So, I guess we better take the exhaust off, and you take the dump. Seems I have big hands and you have small hands. Oh, we're the same, aren't we? Yeah, that's the dump. It will have...
What size ready?
Oh, the innies and outies. So it's got 4 bolts, and I think 1 nut.
So a stud.
Yeah. It's a stud up top.
Oh, is it 5 bolt? 5 bolt. It's 5 bolt rear, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, 5 bolt rear.
I think that's what they usually are.
Yeah.
Right, let's do it, man. Because we just take the dump. Well, actually, no. Let's just take the exhaust off, and we take this off.
Take the dump with it.
Yep.
So from the dump to the front pipe will take off.
Yeah, it's safe doing the rest.
And what's that, 3 bolt? Yeah, see the one we've got is 2 bolt.
Yeah. You want to slip down? There's some slips in there.
Are they in the way?
Oh, we have to take it off to get the thing off. Just slip the zip tie.
Why does it come off?
Why?
Yeah.
Because it's attached to the turbo, bro.
Yeah, but wouldn't you just pull the vacuum hose off the actuator?
Oh, you can do it.
Oh, okay.
Either way, it doesn't fucking matter.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter, Glenny. What a wonderful phrase. F***ing out, cheese.
A big old turbo.
Undoing the rusty nuts off the lower part of the dump and exhaust manifold is proving to be more of a challenge than we first thought. We are soaking the threads in CRC so we don't end up snapping off any bolts.
If that one's being a pig, what's that one going to be like? Down the bottom.
I know exactly, right?
We've just pulled out the original low mount turbo off the S14. Thank you, sir. Here we have it's upgraded from the standard turbo. We've got a Kinugawa TD05-18G on a stock low mount manifold, Mamba internal wastegate, 3-inch dump. We were seeing about 310 horsepower. Boost was coming in nicely, but now it's time to tread some tyres. So, without dropping the new one, we have got a Garrett GTX 3076 with the smallest housing on a 6-boost steam pipe manifold. Boost might come in a bit later, but we should be seeing 20 to 26 pounder boost, stock bottom end. My guess is as good as anyone's, but hopefully over 400 at the wheels. Should fry some rubber. Wait.
Let's chuck this in.
Let's do it.
As you can see, there's not a lot of room in the engine bay of the Silvia. By ensuring that the turbo is connected to the manifold, when installing, it saves a lot of time and hassle. It's not, man. Stop stressing.
I know. That just looks so fucking low. How did he have it? Like out here more, or did he have it back in further?
Well, this is the thing. That's why I adjusted it.
Which way did we? Which way?
We can have a lot there.
That's a bad idea.
Right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So it shouldn't start. If it starts, turn off, please.
Is that the feed?
What?
Is that the feed hose?
Yeah, I'm just taking it off. Run the feed clean. Then put the clean for the turbo and run it for the turbo out of the bottom thing, and then we'll connect it up.
Is the bottom thing almost where it needs to be?
Yeah.
Yeah? The drain line's up?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So don't stress about that.
So what is it, just a coolant fitting we need?
Yeah, just a barb fitting. You might even have one around the house, man.
No, I won't. I really won't. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. Tut, 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 tut.
It shouldn't start, should it?
Nah.
So just continuous?
Yep. Beautiful.
Is that pretty good?
Yep, all through.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yep, let's go, bro.
Go.
You might start my break. Here comes some oil. Oh.
Was that enough or not?
Yeah, just one more.
Yeah.
Only like. Yep, keep going. Perfect. After flushing the oil feed and return line by turning the engine over, we turn our attention to the last wall line. Because the turbo kit came off a different model Silvia, it will also need modifying.
And if there's someone open that's got it, then we can do that.
I'm just trying wondering where the f*** I went to. I think I've got one, to be honest.
Yeah, okay.
At home. Is Daniel left home yet?
I don't know.
Give her a ring.
What time would she have? Yeah, it's 5:30, it's half an hour.
Yeah, just give her a ring though. See where she is.
Would she know what it looks like?
Yeah, she knows where they are.
Right.
Oh, it's literally there. Yeah.
On speaker.
It's such a short little fitting. It'll literally be like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, have you left? Have you left?
Left what?
Home?
Yeah?
Okay, that's right. You know we're near home, are you?
No, I'm on Ulster Road.
That's alright, no worries. I just I had some barb fittings up on the shelf, and I think me and Glenn are gonna need some. So that's alright, all good. No, we don't need them tonight, so it's fine.
Hey?
We don't need it tonight because we have to customise his dump pipe anyway, so that's fine. So
Oh, alright.
no worries.
Let me come and see Logan, and if you need me to, I can go for a drive later.
Alright, no worries. Hang on.
Oh, I don't know, after the thing you sent me.
Bye, Danielle.
Goodbye.
Love you. Women.
Oh, Shannon. Not after that thing you sent me. Yep. That's funny. So what, we don't need a hose anywhere near that long?
No, the barb's right there. If anything, because
So I wonder what they were doing then.
I don't know, but yeah, literally, we could just do it like that and spin this and like cut it there. I need to put the thing back on.
And just run a banjo.
Run a banjo, right? Or just get a barb and go down like that and run it up into a barb. Either way.
Okay.
Either way, brother, it will work.
Come. Yep, I'm gonna watch the door next to you. Alright. Back to this way. Back to this way. Logan!
Okay, well that was facing the right way at least.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
What's that gonna work?
That.
What's that?
That.
Is that the intercooler piping? Oh fuck, what was that?
What hit you?
Oh, my socket.
I actually noticed they've put this turbo on a bit of a gangster lean as well.
Yeah?
Yeah,
A gangster lean.
yeah. I'd say it's how it was meant to be. Oh. Alright, I need a break from doing that. I can't get it. My fingers are too fat. Anyway, it's tight enough to get me roughly back in the same area.